Today we will learn some phrases or words that we must know when speaking English. Knowing these phrases will help you to improve your English a lot. So these are the things you must learn, and these phrases will always be useful to you when you speak English. So let's get started. Let's always be friends. Let's always be friends. Lightning can be dangerous. Lightning can be dangerous. You must be very hungry now. You must be very hungry now. I agree with you. I agree with you. Would you play with me? Would you play with me? Has he come yet? Has he come yet? What did he say? What did he say? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. She must be sick. She must be sick. He will be here soon. He will be here soon. I will be back at 6. I will be back at 6. Be kind to old people. Be kind to old people. He might not be happy. He might not be happy. I must be leaving now. I must be leaving now. Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? The news can't be true. The news can't be true. We should be very careful. We should be very careful. Don't be late for the train. Don't be late for the train. Come with me. Come with me. Keep in touch with me. Keep in touch with me. Please write with a pen. Please write with a pen. He just arrived. He just arrived. Does he live here? Does he live here? Don't be angry. Don't be angry. I will be back soon. I will be back soon. That would be fine. That would be fine. You can't be serious. You can't be serious. Be quiet for a moment. Be quiet for a moment. He must be over 50. He must be over 50. When will you be back? When will you be back? Don't be late for work. Don't be late for work. I will be absent tomorrow. I will be absent tomorrow. I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.